The Beamable Theme Manager allows game makers to change the appearance of the in-game UI. Now, Beamable includes drag and drop feature prefabs, each that have shippable, presentable UI. However, with the Theme Manager, a game maker can customize the colors, fonts, sounds, and more. Let's take a look. So we'll start in the Beamable window, where we're going to open up the Theme Manager. We'll drag it here so we can take a good look. And let's give ourselves one of the Beamable feature prefabs. And I'll drag out the login flow. By using the UI skinning mode, I can take a closer look at everything in the hierarchy and choose what is stylable. I'll choose the button primary, and within the Theme Manager, be able to see the different styles and style properties that we can manipulate. That's it. Thanks very much.